Here's a smart tip that you can use when working in CorelDRAW. Now I have this grouped object and you can see it's grouped, but I just created it from shapes. Now if you want to select an object within a group, there is a pretty handy shortcut that you can use. So hold down the control key and then click on the object that you want to select from that group, and then you can make changes to that object. Again, if I try and select these star over here, you can see it will select the whole group. But if I hold down the control key instead and then select on it, I'll be able to select on that object, and then I release the control key and go ahead and make my changes. Now if you want to select multiple objects from a group, again hold down the control key, select, then this time hold on the shift key in order to select another one, like so, and then you can go ahead and make a change like so. So go ahead and try using the shortcuts and see how they will work out for you.